Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by preparing your workspace and gathering tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flat pry tool, a plastic trim tool, a 10 mm socket and ratchet, and a small torque wrench set to 5 to 7 Nm. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts when you unplug the lock actuator later. Work on a cool car in shade and set a soft blanket under the door to protect paint and catch dropped screws. Plan 30 to 45 minutes for a first-time replacement and wear gloves for grip. Begin by removing the inner cover near the armrest and carefully prying up the power window switch assembly. Detach its electrical connector and set it aside. Use a plastic trim tool to unclip the door panel perimeter clips, lift the panel up and off the sash, and support it so wiring doesn't strain. Locate and remove the two 10 mm bolts that secure the exterior handle assembly from inside the door shell. Finally, reach in. Disconnect the electrical connector to the lock actuator and carefully extract the old handle assembly. Position the replacement handle into the door, making sure the latch rod and gasket align and the handle body seats flush against the shell. Hand thread both 10 mm mounting bolts to avoid cross-threading, then torque them to 5 to 7 Nm for secure seating. Reconnect the lock actuator electrical connector, temporarily reconnect the battery, and test the exterior and interior handle operation plus power locks. If everything works, disconnect the battery again. Reinstall the door panel and switch assembly, then reconnect the battery and perform a final function and rattle check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.